strawberry wine, and you're as warm as a glass of brandy, and I stay stoned on your love all the time. I looked for love in all the same old places, found the bottoms of the bottles always dry. Hey, but when you poured out your heart, girl, I didn't waste it. 'Cause there ain't nothing like your love to get me high, and you're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine, and you're as warm as a glass of brandy, and I stay stoned on your love all the time. I stay stoned on your love all the time. All right, thank you so much. This next song is called Bucket of Bolts. This is Mr. Benjo Marcus here on the guitar and the harmony vocals, and he's going to bring us into this next tune. Let's try to take a song break between tunes. Who's ready for Miss Molly Tuttle? I know I sure am. It's been a pleasure to have been on these past 4 nights with her. She's one of my heroes and has become a good friend over about the past year or so. I know y'all are looking forward to hearing her. Things meant more when I had less. That's the way it goes, I guess. The more I have, I must confess, the more I need. My first call was a bucket of bolts. It wouldn't go far, but it sure did smoke. All them gals would laugh and joke, and then they'd hop on in. Take them down to the water hole. We'll all go swimming in our birthday clothes. Lord knows how I love those good old pals of mine. We've all gone our separate ways, but we'll always have those good old days. Ain't no taking those away. They're locked inside my mind. Sometimes I miss the simple stuff, 'cause the road I'm on can sure get rough. When I think I've had enough, I just take it for a little spin. Of all the things I've left behind, that old car is still running fine. There ain't no hill that she can't climb, just gotta give her the time. Take her down to the water hole, we'll all go swimming in her birthday clothes. Lord knows how I love those good old pals of mine. We've all gone our separate ways, but we'll always have those good old days. Ain't no taking those away, they're locked inside my mind. Take them down to the water hole, we'll all go swimming in our birthday clothes. Lord knows how I love those good old pals of mine. We've all gone our separate ways, but we'll always have those good old days. Ain't no taking those away, they're locked inside my mind. Thank you so much. It's called Bucket of Bolts. This next song is called Rose of Alabama.